Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the different types of credit card that Wells Fargo offers. So there are different types of credit card that Wells Fargo offers. I'm going to list out one after another. So first of all, you have to go to the link that is creditcard.wellsfargo.com. It is going to take you to the official page, and here what you have to do is you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So on this page, you'll be able to find all of the card that is available on Wells Fargo. So you can see the first they offer is earn unlimited 2% cashback reward on purchases. So first they offer an active cash card. You could also see the features and important, and here you have an autograph journey card. You could also go through it, and likewise you have another autograph card, or you have the importance as well as the features, all of that, and you have a reflect card. You'll be able to see the auto tune card, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find the Blit Mastercard, and next you have a choice privilege Mastercard, and next you have is a choice privilege select Mastercard. You could go through and read all of these information, and if you wish to apply for it, just press on the apply button and you'll be taken to the application portal page. So these are the types of credit card that Wells Fargo offers. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.